Hello guys, how y'all doing? So today we're gonna start off with some press-on nails I got from Kiss. These are the French tip in the size medium. So right now I'm just unboxing the nails. As you can see, it comes with glue, a nail file, a wooden stick to push your cuticles back and to also clean up any excess glue. So I'm just gonna grab a nail and just start sizing. I like to start from my thumb and work my way down all the way to my pinky. So I kind of made a mistake here, and instead of just sizing it and then gluing the nail, I sized all of my nails. As you will see, I sized all my nails and I kind of mixed up two sizes, and I was kind of scrambling towards the end to figure out, because I was missing one of my fingers, so I was trying to figure out which other nail would fit. So yeah, but it came out cute at the end. Just continue to watch. Once all my nails have been sized, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping my natural nail. Right now I am using the wooden stick that came in the packaging, and I'm going to go ahead and push my cuticles back, and then after that I'm going to start filing my nails. So the nails have been filed, and that's what they're looking like. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some alcohol and start wiping off the residue from the nail filing from my nails on both hands. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the nails that I have already sized and just start to glue and place them on my nail. As you can see, I got my thumbnails mixed up. Right here I was just testing to make sure that the glue didn't need to be cut or something like that, and I placed a thin layer of glue on my actual nail and a little bead of glue on the press-on nail, just to not overfill it. But for me, this makes the nail last a lot longer than placing like a little dollop of glue on my natural nail and on the press-on nail. And I like to hold it down for probably about like 15 seconds or so, just to ensure that it's actually on my nail and ensure that the glue is dry. And that's what it's looking like. So that's what 2 nails are looking like, and boom, here is 1 whole hand done, and this is what they're looking like. Absolutely obsessed. So moving on to the second hand, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my pinky instead of my pointer finger, just so I can just start with the little one that I already have there on the table. And on this hand is when I realized I was actually missing one of the nails. I think I had put 2 of the same nails on one hand instead of one on one hand and one on the other. So it was an easy fix. I mean, it comes with like 28 nails, so you'll find your right size. I will say keep in mind about how much pressure you're applying to the nail, because if you apply too much pressure, the glue will completely spread out super thin, and when you go to lift up your finger from the nail, it will have a air bubble. So just slight pressure, nothing too extra and excessive. So at this point, this is when I realized that I messed up, and I was trying to scramble a little bit to try and find a new nail to put on my finger, because I was down to the last one, and the one I had already set out was not going to fit. It was super, super small. So as you can see, I was able to find a new nail that was as close to my actual natural nail as possible. It was a little bit too big, but it actually fit just fine. Once I got the glue on there and I was able to bend it a little bit, it was able to work. And this is the finished look. How do you guys like them? I'm absolutely obsessed, and I will definitely do this over again. Well, this was the process of me putting on these press-on nails. Everything will be linked in the description below, because I did get these off Amazon.